Takže čaute, tu je a dneska si zahrajeme Batmana Arkham Asylum. Je to trošku staršia hra, vyšlo to v roku 2009, pokiaľ viem. A priznám sa, trošku som ju hrala už dopredu a táto hra ma nenormálne baví. Zahrajeme si za nášho netopierika. Ideme práve zobrať nášho vysmiatého Jokera naspäť do väznice. Takže čo bude ďalej, uvidíte sami. Každopádne toto je prvý diel, dúfam, že sa vám bude páčiť. Pokiaľ viem, túto hru z našich slovenských youtuberov ešte nikto nenahrával, takže práve preto som si aj vybrala aj túto hru. Isté, že sú aj nejaké ďalšie na pláne.
Back, fool, I've got a bomb. All right.
Takže práve vidíme Arkham Asylum, to je tá väznica, podľa toho bola pomenovaná aj táto hra. Čiže takže sme práve dorazili.
Hey, Sharpie. Love what you've done with the place.
That's Warden Shop to you. Bowles!
Yo, Frankie! How's the wife and kids? You miss me?
Shut it, clown!
A lot of people here really want to talk to you.
Franky ho teda fakt má rád.
Really? I don't mind walking. Not so tight, boys. You'll crease the suit.
Get that filthy
Mám dojem, že tam ho aj
degenerate
tak
out of here.
potrebovať
Warden,
nebudeš.
something's not right. I'm going with him. Is Commissioner Gordon here yet?
Yes, sir. He's waiting for you down at patient handover. He got here just before you did.
Okay.
Sharpie loves his cameras. Hey, Sharpie, you getting my good side? Ah, but heck, they're all good, aren't they?
I want him securely locked away this time.
Look at all this new security.
How's the guy supposed to break out of here?
New patient in the intensive treatment lobby. All non-essential staff to vacate the area.
Oh, it's always nice to return to my sweet little hacienda.
OK, môžeme zoomovať. Pozrieme si.
You know what?
Aký je on škaredý, taký zvráckavý.
Much more perfect.
Ale jeho ústa nevyzerajú také zjazené, ako som videla predtým. Alebo jak ho vykresľujú.
It's not the patient. It's
Ooh, would you sneak in with your bats? Come on, tell me. Batarang, bat claws.
Nejde ho uzrieť.
scan is green on Joker.
Dobre. Takže Joker prešiel kontrolou, avšak my sme ozbrojení. Ale to nikomu nevadilo, pretože sme Batman.
Time enough for you later. Speaking of time, tick tock. Is that a crocodile I hear?
Jaký vydesený všetci.
Pencil me in for tomorrow at 4.
We've got a lot of catching up to do.
Keep behind me.
Ale nezavrú sa mu tie ústa.
This is Quincy Sharp, Warden of Arkham Asylum.
Ooh, it's my favorite show.
I'm
Warden Idiot. You'll never escape.
OK. Joker si zanechal jeho zmysel pre humor, ako vždy. Hen, aj fanklub tu má.
Shut it and keep
Telling
moving.
you, the state of the wiring in these federal facilities is, well, it's shocking. My boys over there could have been hurt in that
unfortunate fire.
Nah. You don't say.
Just gotta check your prisoner, Officer Wolf.
Whatever, just be quick.
Only following procedure. Well, patient seems to be in satisfactory condition. Looks like he suffered minor lacerations, probably in the last 2 hours. There seems to be...
Need to take my temperature? I'd be happy to drop my pants.
He's all yours. Get him out of here. He's good.
Okay.
Get the door open.
Alert in intensive treatment. Category 9 patient in transit. Pacification system active. Shoot to kill permissions granted.
You heard the lady. We got another psycho on the way.
Okay.
Can you smell the excitement in the air? No? Must have been one of the guards then. Croco boy! Is that you?
Počkaj, pozrieme sa. To vyzerá na drobčeka nejakého.
Get ready. Keep your weapons
Tak,
trained on
tak.
at all times.
He looks angry. Až teraz vyzerá dosť naštvaný.
What's it doing?
Ešte nejde k tomu bližšie?
your scent, Batman. I will hunt you down.
Get that animal under control!
Oh,
A toy collar won't stop me from killing you, Batman. I'll rip you apart. Eat your bones.
nejde za ním ísť? Nejde. Ani ich nemôžem
That
predbehnúť.
reminds me. I really need to get me some new
Okay, move up.
Tieto pánky s tým majú teda veľa spoločného. Stále vám nevadí, že je to v angličtine, nejak som ani nepozerala, či je to v nejakom inom jazyku aj možné. Popravde.
Batman past
Whee! Great night for a party.
No tomu ver.
Not where you're going.
Tak asi
Night
ne.
is young, Bats. I still have a trick or two up my sleeve. I mean, don't you think it's a little bit funny how a fire at Blackgate caused hundreds of my crew to be moved here?
I thought I told you to stay quiet.
Oh, Frankie, you really should learn to keep that fat mouth of yours shut. It'll get you into trouble.
Ty máš čo
Tell me
hovoriť.
something. You've never let me catch you this easily. What are you really after?
Oh, nothing much. Hundreds dying in pain and fear. All their meaningless lives brought to a horrifying conclusion. All thanks to you and a book of matches. Was that the answer you wanted?
All patients should avoid contact with prisoners from Blackgate Prison Facility. Their presence...
What's he doing? Stay where you are. Get a flashlight. Get a light on him.
Počkaj. Aha. Tak to mám len pod kontrolou.
What? Don't you trust me?
Kámo, tebe neverím ani nos medzi očami. A hlavne ten tvoj úsmev.
Intensive treatment. Lower floors are now
Falošný
in
vlastný
level
falošný
red
úsmev.
outline.
A mám ti veriť.
You're back. You killed 3 of my crew and you busted out of here.
Only 3? I'll be sure to try harder next time. What say we aim for 100?
Okej. Tak sme ho doviedli
Long night,
tam,
Jim.
kam sme
Joker
mali
invades
ísť.
City Hall and holds the mayor hostage, leaving it to me to juggle SWAT teams, the media, and you. Yeah, it's been a hell of a night.
Oh,
Hopefully the last one we'll ever have with him.
Yeah, right.
Hold it there. Sorry, Batman. Arkham staff only.
I assure you, if anyone's qualified, it's...
Listen, I appreciate the assistance, but he'll unsettle the more violent inmates.
I think he's talking about you, Bats. Don't be a stranger. You're always welcome here. Gotta say, it's good to be back.
You okay?
He surrendered almost without a fight. I don't like it.
At least he's back where he belongs.
Franky si tam pije kolu, alebo čo to bolo.
Get up! Now!
No, a je to tu.
Joker's loose. Alert the warden.
Hlavné je, že nás tu nepustia.
Joke's on you.
Jak si tancuje veselo.
Honey, I'm home.
Come on in.
Okay.
Welcome to the madhouse, Batman! I set a trap, and you sprang it gloriously!
No, tomu ver.
Now let's get this party started.
Okay. Takže si urobíme taneček.
Ladies and maniacs, I apologize for this interruption to your regular entertainment. Up until a few seconds ago, I was gonna kill everyone in the room and then watch cartoons. But then, well, you know how I do love a captive audience.
Okay.
I'm just warming you up, Bats. Fresh from Blackgate Correctional Facility, with a combined sentence of 752 years. Ding, 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 ding. It's round 2.
Uf.
Sorry, Bats.
Dobre, round 2. Ty ideš?
Don't let him hit you! Don't let him hit you, you idiot! Jeez!
Poď. Poď si ešte. No, dobre. Poď. Mass combo bonus, okay.
The system's jammed. We're stuck in here. Joker's in full control of the security gates.
I'll find a way out. Gordon, try and contact the warden. Let him know what's happened.
Okay, way out. To
Don't
vyzerá
make
tu nak.
promises you can't keep, Bats. I'm in control of the asylum. You're not going anywhere I don't want you to.
If you think I'll let you run.
Always with the hero speed. Ooh, looking good.
A ty môžem s vrskou?
Why don't you just come find me?
Aspoň to.
Okay.
You know it's a trap.
Of course it is.
Okay. Dobre, takže tu si môžeme pozrieť, koho tu máme a tak ďalej, všetky naše charakteristiky, vieme si pozrieť to, že kto je čo, vieme si pozrieť jeho charakteristiku, alebo teda nejaké fakty o ňom, nejaké drobnosti takéto. Čiže ideme sa pozrieť, čo tu máme. I'm Batarang. Aha. No, za žuby máme bonusy. Dobre. Pozrieme sa. Čo tu máme? Dohromady nič. OK. Hej. Dobre, dostali sme zuby. Máme žuby. Protéza by sa nám asi hodila. OK.
All patients should take their medication at the prescribed times each and every day.
Warning. Security breach in level B3.
OK.
Warning. Security breach in level B. Warning. Security breach in level B8. Warning. Security breach in level B1. Warning. Security breach in level B6. Warning.
Jak nás tam dáva na obrazovke, ste si všimli?
Warning. Security breach in
Batman, over here.
OK. Počkaj, zuby.
Security breach in level
Utekaj.
B2.
Utekaj, Batman.
Warning. Security breach
Dobre,
in
idem sa s ním
level
porozprávať.
Joker happened. You're lucky to be alive.
Čo sa
Must have gone
stalo?
this way. Door's jammed. I'll try and get it open.
Co je nápad?
Impassification. I repeat, we need backup impassification. Can anyone hear this?
Can you hear me? I'm with Batman. Hello?
Where are they?
Back down there. Do you need help?
No. I work better alone.
Áno.
Franklin, can you hear me? If you can, help's on the way.
OK, takže môžeme ísť. Žuby už nemáme tu. Žuby.
Oracle, can you hear me?
Oracle. OK. The daughter of Gotham City's police. Fakty. Pamäť. Má vierovi s počítačmi.
Loud and clear. What's up?
Joker's escaped custody. He's running free in Arkham.
Do you need anything? Is my dad still there?
Commissioner Gordon is safe. Joker's not far ahead. I'll stay in contact.
OK, takže ostaneme v kontakte.
Let him go! You'll only end up in more trouble if you continue!
OK, talk to Zashpan.
Thank God. It's Zaz. He's got Mike. He's strapped in the chair. Zaz is totally lost it.
Wait here.
You can't. He'll kill Mike if he sees anyone trying to get close.
He won't see me.
I see anything that looks even a little bit like a bat, and this guard dies. Do you hear me?
Oh.
Hi.
Vyzerá dosť naštvane.
Please, you've got to save him.
OK.
Put the trigger down, Dad!
Toto nemám rada, tieto kamery. Nemám ich rada. Fakt ich nemám rada. Potom Joker o nás vie. Škaredé kamery.
Keep away, or this little piggy flies.
OK.
Zaz has got my buddy. He's gonna fry him. Do something, please.
Keep him occupied. I need to get behind him.
OK. Takže potrebujeme sa dostať za neho. No, takže sociopat. Fakty. Nevyzerá, že tam má modré oči, ty sú skôr do červená. A pozrieme si... Čo ja viem?
Close enough to Zaz to strike.
He'll see me coming on the ground, so I'll stay up high.
OK, takže ostaneme vonku, lenže... Detektíva móde, áno. Look up.
These old gargoyles should be able to support my weight if I grapple up to them.
Čiže vieme sa k nemu dostať po tomto. Vysvetlím, čo by sa stalo, kebyže po ňom hodíme baterang. Prakticky si nás všimne, mu to nejak neublíži a usmaží ho tam. Čiže nie je to zrovna ideálne, takže si vidíme tu po týchto sochách. Tu už vieme. Ale asi prejdem až dozadu pre istotu, aby si nás nevšimol, lebo občas sa obhliadne z boku. A to by som dosť nerada, čiže glide clear.
Zaz is down, but not for long.
Tak, dorazíme ho.
Someone put
Čiže.
this animal back in his cell.
Can you hear me? Is this thing on?
Tomu ver, a pekný výhľad.
Man, Harley Quinn here. How do you like my new uniform? Pretty hot, huh?
Tomu ver.
I got something to show you. 1 second, B-Man.
Čo to bude? Hupsa. Dosť nepríjemné prekvapenie.
Old Sharp has never been happier.
Tomu verím, ale neviem, či sa mu páči byť zviazaný.
You have
Oh,
one
sme
chance
čestný
to
host.
surrender, Quinn.
Tempting path, but no dice. Now the inmates are running the asylum. Well, technically the Joker's goons shipped in from Blackgate, but you get the idea. Bye-bye for now.
Hustá ženská.
Batman, you picking this up?
Oracle, I'm here.
Arkham Asylum just vanished off the network.
He's in control of the security system. He's probably isolated it from the grid.
That's not all he's done. All police feeds are reporting he's placed bombs all over Gotham. Says he'll detonate them if anyone sets foot on Arkham Island. It's being suppressed at the moment, but the story will break any time now.
He's lying. It's just a diversion to keep people away.
How do you know?
I know him.
The room's locked down. I can't open the gate.
You arrested by Batman.
Try the radio. Control should be able to shut down the gate.
Harley thinks she has me trapped in this chamber. She never was very bright.
What do you remember? You were caught by Zaz, but everything's under control now.
Control. Taká francúzska nejaká, ne?
I've got him covered.
Okay.
I should scan the room. Look for an exit.
Things always go wrong. Someone always gets hurt.
Dobre. Takže... Tady to sa vieme dostať von. Keďže dvere sú zablokované. To sme počuli.
Get out! Batman's found a way out.
Batman, I'm patching you into the guard radio feed.
Steve, more Blackgate prisoners. By the boiler. Who's that behind them? Oh my god, it's Joker. He's free! How'd he break out?
Jediný
Sorry,
človek.
feed's down. Comms are up and down like crazy. It's not good. I'll keep trying.
Okay. Vyberáme trofej. To sa mi páči na tom najviac, že majú im tu doviesť jediného väzňa a tak pomaly sa dostáva jednému za druhým, že proste im utekal ten jeden jediný.
Warning. Decontamination room. Toxins detected. Warning. Decontamination room. Area sealed.
What is that stuff?
Joker toxin. Listen, the room is full of poison gas.
Jak to
Anyone
sa tomu
caught in there
blbo
is dead.
Are you gonna get in there and
smeje.
help them, Batman?
Asi hej. Dobre, sú zavreté, tam je nejaká šachta. Dobre. No, asi umierajú, keď je to otrávený plyn nejaký.
This isn't a simple escape attempt. Joker's been planning this.
O, to je možné. Tu tak pomôžeme strážnikovi. Tak. Tam nám svieti F-ko.
Batman's here. Just hold on a little longer, Steve.
I can't.
I'm going after the animal who did
Ne, nespadneš. My sme tu a my ťa zachránime.
The extraction system. Steve was trying to get to the control panel at the end of the room.
Aha, okej. Aha.
I believe he left me here. That son of a...
Necháme ťa spadnúť?
Oh, great. All I need. Batman.
Okej. Tak ťa zachránime, pretože sme Batman. No. A proste sme Batman. Okej. Tu by malo byť niečo, tu sú turbíny. Aha, tam.
There's the extractor control panel. A well-aimed batarang should power it up.
OK, takže tým, že sme vyradili panel, sme zapli automatickú filtráciu. Blbý smiech. O, fakt blbý. OK, takže tu sú trofeje.
Go Batman! You rock! Joker doesn't stand a chance.
A aj my tu máme fanúšika. Hurá, Neon Joker. OK, takže ďalej, tady asi ne, ale zoberieme si žuby. Aha, to sa nevieme dostať nejako, hej. Security gate, cez to sa nekúkneme absolútne nič. OK, takže tu máme, tu máme nejaký, 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 Ale... Nejde to? Nejde to vyrodiť? Nejde. To som ešte popravde doteraz neskúšala, takže... OK, tu chcete zavreté dvere, čo boli... Respektíve dvere, čo boli zavreté, neviem, či ešte sú. Ne. No, asi ťa nepočujú, očividne. Takže teda sme prišli, čiže tam už nemáme čo robiť, tam sme to všetko prečistili. Čiže ideme ďalej. No, a toto bude dosť funny. Žuby. A to sa mi páči, nejaký vysmetí. Ja idem ešte naplánoval cestičku. Počkaj, tu sú panikári ma. No poďte. Poď. Ešte chceš? No. Jaké? Knockdown. OK. Tu sme boli, čiže podľa šipiek. Pukneme sa ešte sem pre istotu. Ne. Electrogate, to je všetko. Asi by sme si mohli ponáhľať, ne? Úsmev. Zanechal si svoju optimistiku. OK. Takže ideme ďalej. Aha, koho tu máme?
There's no escape, Joker. I will find you.
Oh, I'm counting on it. Just not yet. He's a big one.
Aha, dropček. OK. Takže tu sú dve metódy, jak tohto zúfalca poraziť. Jednou je proste sa mu vyhýbať. Poď, nápoď ťa. Á, ty vole. Ja som gramblavá. A teraz rýchlo preč. Ne. Toto som gramblavá. Prečo mi to nejde? Tam si buchne dvakrát. No. Tam zase ho máme. Buchni si ešte raz. OK. Vydržal menej ako obvykle, ale ja som bola strašne gramblavá, čiže... Dobre pre mňa.
Unexpected, wasn't it? Oh well, note to self, need stronger test subjects. Seeing as how I'm feeling generous, I'll give you this one for free. Knock me off, I dare you. End this. Pull the plug. Stop me once and for all.
Ne, nemôžeme, my sme Batman.
Oh, you're getting too predictable, Bats. Well, I'd love to stay and chat, but I have a party to organize. I've got guests flying in from all over Arkham. You'll see.
Neviem, na jeho mieste by som teda ho ako sotila preč, nech si ide, hej, dolu, ale sme proste Batman. OK.
Get in here before more of them come.
OK. Takže máme upgrade prvý. Takže kúkneme sa, čo tu máme. Špeciálne kombo. Tak. Batarang. Critical combo strikes nám dajú krát 2. Allows Batman to swoop down. OK. Armor upgrade. To by mohlo byť zaujímavé. Batarang power. To ako... Možno hej, možno nie, neviem. Twin batarang. Neviem. Remote control batarang. This item is not able. OK, takže máme tu dosť upgradeov a osobne si myslím, že buď ten armor bude pre nás zaujímavý, ale toto asi budeme potrebovať, takže toto si dáme a pôjdeme. Osobne si nemyslím, že by som spravila teraz zlý krok, čiže pokračujeme ďalej. OK. Takže toto je asi jedno z tých prvých, čiže z tých ako prvých percent, ktoré si tu nahráme, čiže myslím si zatiaľ by to aj stačilo a zvyšok si dáme pri ďalšom gameplayi, čiže vidíme sa na budúce, majte sa krásne, dajte komenty, lajky, ak sa vám to páčilo a vidíme sa na budúce.